The Cosmetology program at Craven Community College provides you with the training you need for a career in the beauty industry through salons, spas and resorts, barbershops, or self-employment. As a student in the Cosmetology program, you will learn to advise clients on how to care for their hair, give manicures, pedicures, scalp and facial treatments, as well as provide makeup analysis and cleaning and styling hairpieces and wigs. After completing the Cosmetology Diploma program and passing the North Carolina State Board of Cosmetic Arts exam, you will be a fully licensed cosmetologist. Whether you want to stick close to home or travel, the Cosmetology program at Craven Community College gives you the flexibility to start a new career today. To learn more about cosmetology at Craven Community College, visit CravenCC.edu/cosmetology. Craven Community College, your first choice.